Join me as I paint an Easter rabbit needlepoint canvas. So I'm going to begin by pulling up the e-pattern, which is available on abigailcecile.com. It's going to give you a chart and a line guide, which I've taped down. I've printed out and taped down and placed the canvas on top of. And I have paint, I've got my brushes, I have a water jar, everything all ready. And I'm just following the painting guide in the pattern that tells me exactly what paints to use and what to paint first. So I'm outlining the rabbit's head, and now I'm filling it in, and I'm doing something called outlining, which is a canvas painting technique that I teach. And now I'm going to start painting the ears, priming them with white first before painting them in pink. Now that the head is dried, I can paint all the little face details on top. So I'm painting on 13 count needlepoint canvas, Zweigart Mono 13 count needlepoint canvas to be specific. And this is going to create like a stand-up size, but I think he would be so cute on 18 count canvas, which would also make him more of like an ornament size and would be so sweet for an Easter tree. So what I'm doing is I'm transferring a charted design that is in the pattern onto the canvas. So I'm following all the intersections, counting them out, and painting them onto the canvas. So I'm using a couple different techniques. I'm outlining, like you just saw, around the sleeves. I'm doing a lot of outlining. That's great for counting out and charting larger areas. For smaller areas, I like to go row by row and count out sort of rows of intersections, just different techniques that I teach that are useful in different areas of the design. And I say different techniques, but really painting is so intuitive. I've kind of come up with terms and processes that I use when painting just so that I can communicate them and teach them effectively. But ultimately, painting a canvas is so intuitive and it's just not hard at all. So if you're watching this video and thinking, I'd love to do that, but I don't know, like just dive in, just go for it. It's fun and it's just, yeah, it's great. One of the really fun things about painting your own needlepoint canvas is that while you're painting, you just get a really good feel for the canvas itself and can dream up the types of stitches that you might want to stitch on your canvas and just get a really good sort of plan in your head on how this final stitched piece could look. And I am almost done, just putting in a few final details, and then the super fun part of getting to pull the tape off, pull your canvas up and check it out, hold it up and admire your work, and you are so ready to start stitching. If you want to learn how to paint a needlepoint canvas, make sure to check out my upcoming canvas painting class on abigailcecile.com, and I will link to that below. Thanks so much for watching.